Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text box size on all pages in Adobe InDesign. At first, I have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change text boxes size on all pages. At first I have to select this all text box, then go to object menu. Now you can see here a text frame option. Now click this auto size. Now click this auto sizing drop down menu. Now I simply just choose height and weight. Now click this minimum height to, now I write minimum height is 2 pt and wide also 1.5, then press OK. Now you can see I change text boxes in all pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.